Hello Year 9 Japanese and welcome to Lesson 5. I know it does say Lesson 4, but this is in fact the 5th video in the YouTube series, so we're just going to call it Lesson 5. Apologies for the confusion. In today's class, you're going to learn how to say who's in your family. We're going to go over the basics today. Each individual family member and the number of people in your family, the count is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll talk more about that in class. This video is just something you can refer to so you've got something to build your knowledge around. Let's first examine to. To, very simply, means and. So, how do we use to in a sentence? Let's have a listen.
家族は父と母と私です。
So in my family, and we have the word for family is 家族 wa, so talking or as for my family. What about my family? Well, we have my father and, so to meaning and, mother, another to, and me. Very simple. It works exactly the same as the English word and. And the English word for and goes between nouns. For example, mother and me, just like in Japanese. Let's have a look at some other expressions used in describing your family. We're going to go over this first one here.
私の家族は2人です。
2人です。2人です means two people. There are two people in my family. 私の家族は2人です。家族, yes, is family. This is a new particle here. No is a possessive particle. So when it's put together with watashi to become watashi no, that means becomes my. So my what? My kazoku, or my family. We've got the wa particle, so it's the topic. Everything before there's the topic. So as for my family, 2人です. Two people. As for my family, there are two people. What about your family? You might have brothers or sisters or other relatives that don't live in Auckland. They might be going to university in Dunedin or Canterbury or Wellington. How would you express that? Let's have a listen.
どこに住んでいますか？兄は北海道に住んでいます。東京に住んでいます。
So just going over those sentences again with this slide here. Firstly, the question.
どこに住んでいますか？
どこに住んでいますか? どこ means where. For the time being, we're not going to analyze this sentence in too much detail. Just take this as being the question for where do you live. And responses for that could be
兄は北海道に住んでいます。
So my older brother lives in Hokkaido. So we have ni sundeimasu, and before ni sundeimasu we have the place that they live in. Let's just say they lived in Tokyo. How would you say that?
東京に住んでいます。
So we have ni sundeimasu, and before ni sundeimasu we have Tokyo. Tokyo ni sundeimasu. Auckland ni sundeimasu. Mount Roskill ni sundeimasu.